Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to be discussing 5 explosive digital marketing strategies that are sure to take your business to new heights in 2023. So, let's dive in. Number 1. Artificial Intelligence. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a buzzword. It's becoming a vital component of digital marketing. Using AI-powered chatbots, virtual assistants, and personalized product recommendations, businesses can deliver a more personalized experience to their customers. Number 2. Mobile-first marketing. More and more people are accessing the internet via their mobile devices, which means businesses need to prioritize mobile-first marketing. This includes optimizing websites for mobile devices, creating mobile-friendly content, and leveraging mobile apps to engage with customers. In 2023, businesses that don't prioritize mobile-first marketing will be left behind. Number 3. Video marketing. Video marketing has been on the rise for years, and it shows no signs of slowing down in 2023. Businesses can use video to engage with their audience, showcase products or services, and build brand awareness. In fact, video is one of the most effective ways to build trust with potential customers. In 2023, businesses that don't invest in video marketing will be missing out on a huge opportunity. Number 4. Social media advertising. Social media advertising has been a popular digital marketing strategy for years, but in 2023 it will be even more important. With social media algorithms constantly changing, businesses need to invest in paid social media advertising to ensure their content reaches their target audience. In 2023, businesses that don't invest in social media advertising will struggle to compete. Number 5. Data-driven marketing. Finally, data-driven marketing will be a key strategy in 2023. By analyzing customer data, businesses can make more informed decisions about their marketing efforts. This includes everything from identifying customer pain points to optimizing marketing campaigns. In 2023, businesses that don't leverage data-driven marketing will fall behind their competitors. And there you have it, 5 explosive digital marketing strategies for 2023. Which strategies do you plan to implement in your business? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this.